Hey guys, it's Miss Flores, and I want to show you how to use this web application tool for designing interesting documents. So we've opened up Canva, you all have accounts, and we're going to select the design that we would like. So this is the way it'll look. It'll give you these options up here, blog graphic, Facebook post, but we're going to click more, and I want you to choose right here, this US letter. This is going to be a standard size of paper. So now that we have this choice, I'm going to quickly show you some of the options. This is pre-designed layouts that you could add your own content to or wording, but this is not what we're going to be using. For elements, the things that might be interesting for our project would be frames. These would be like a picture frame that you can add onto your document. So this would show you different ways that you could frame your picture to make it look more interesting or detailed or come across with the design that you're trying to show within your memoir. Another option I want to show y'all would be shapes. These can be customized to any color that you like. So I add this, and at the top here, if you click a different color, it can become any color that you like. So letting you know that the things on here can always be customizable. The same with lines. You can change any of these lines that you use. You can change the color. You just click that orange at the top, and then you can change it to whatever color you choose to fit your memoir project in your design mind. For illustrations, those can also be customized to have a different colors. This firework, you just click on the color that you want to change, and you want to change the top to a different color, and now it's going to match your design. Okay, so those were the interesting things, different elements that Canva can offer you. Next, I want to show you the two text sizes we will be using. We're going to use this heading. The heading will be at the top for the title of your memoir. And the other font or the other text size we're going to be using is down here. It says where it says body text. This is always a little small for me to read, so I want you guys to realize at the bottom here, you can change the size at which you're viewing and then make it larger. This will help you whenever we are adding our memoir text. And finally, you can add different backgrounds. So we just want to make sure that everything goes together visually. This example does not. So I'm going to create a new page, and we will start creating our memoir. You've already uploaded your pictures, so we'll just drag and drop our photos. I'm going to start with my title to my memoir. And you can move it to the top of the page, and you can change your font. So I will just add my title, which is Mother's Day. (2016). Next, I'm going to add a background, and I think I'm going to customize it. I like this checkerboard, but I do not really like that color, so you can customize it. I like this dark blue, so I'll pick more of a darker teal color. The white font color will work out. The next is I'm going to add my photo, and I think I'm going to go back up to this frame and select a picture frame for the picture that I want to use. You can always resize it, and I'm going to move mine to the top. And this is, again, these are things that you can experiment with over the next 2 days in class. That's how much time we're going to have to create our final memoir projects. And you just sort of select your photo, and then it goes in there. The next thing I want y'all to see is how to add your actual memoir text. You can extend the text box and make it larger. So I want to show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to move it up, and then you will be able to just click on where your Word document is. You'll cut it or copy it, and then you'll paste it into your Canva text box. This font is a bit too large for my paper, so I'm going to make it smaller, a smaller size, and I think I'm going to need to alter the choice that I have here. So I'm going to select the font that's smaller. I like this narrow one. And I'm going to change how the font is, or how the body is laid out. I think I'm going to I don't need to have my title because that's already at the top. So now I have my whole memoir on my page. I'm going to read through it and post some spaces where my paragraphs are. That's about all the formatting that you can do through this tool. Okay, so let's say I've got that where I like it. The last thing I want to show you guys is how to download it. I think I'm going to have to change my font size again. But these are things that you can continue to experiment with. I just wanted to give you a quick overview so that you would know how to get started when you come back to class. Okay, we'll call that done. So Canva will always keep a copy of the items that you create, but so you can take it and we can either print it or put it on the blog site. I like for you to save it as a JPEG. It gives you an option, and then you can download. It will save your design, and then you can add it to your jump drives, and then we'll add it also to our desktop. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Again, we're going to have 2 class days, and then it should show as there you go. So this is a quick tutorial on how to use Canva. We will be using this to display our final memoirs. Keep up the good work, guys.